Folks, I'm back at this unit right here with the burnt out control board. That unit there, I don't think got no refrigerant in there. Ooh, that suction line cold, yeah. They gonna have to turn it off, but I'm gonna do a leak search on it. Got the ILD 300 infrared leak detector. Man, look at all that pookie on there. And that's why I didn't do a quick leak search when out here last time, because it's so hard to get into it. But all I'm doing today is changing that control board. Man, I'm about to go turn that furnace off out there, because let me go ahead and turn the condenser off, because they're gonna damage that compressor. That compressor loud out there. And that this liquid line is cold. I'm surprised it ain't freezing up. I hope it ain't too frozen. But I'll do that last. Anyway, this control board right here, I just unhooked that. Because it was blowing a fuse. Anyway, they don't too many more people sell these right here anymore. Seem like the 8120. They went with 8120X, but I was able to find this in that Ferguson, so we can do a direct replacement. But I'll take this out kind of, so you can see where it burned out right there. So go ahead and get that replaced. All right, so the easy way to do this, so we can just plug and play. Snip it right there. There's no wild wires there. Snip it. This one has all damper going on. R and look like T or something like that. Just a thermostat. Got a control board. This goes to the control board. This one here, I'll just wait and take that one off. Installs went poop crazy. That mask. This one right here. Alright, so this the outside there. So peel the little film off the back here. Okay. Like I say, so everything else should be pretty much plug and play here. All right. So I got OD and T. The sensor is on OD and T. Alright, so I got OD and T here. This thing for outdoor temperature. Alright. Go ahead and hook my red and my whites up. I think they'd be coming. So I got a white right here. Which is green. And my two reds gonna go together on R. I'm gonna have to lay down on. Yeah. All right, my two red. All right. I got a blue on this loop common right here. So we got blue. I'm gonna go ahead and put the blue vent. We got blue. Okay. So I got a blue vent right there. And loop it with a blue common. Just have green for fan. for heat. Cool. Okay, where's the wire? Okay, so this yellow, I messed up right here, this yellow. That's gonna turn on that fan. This yellow goes to G. Then you got a GF. And green go to GF. You gotta have a strong neck to do this. Work on your neck muscle. Okay. Just that. Put our cover on. So you have it off 10 minutes, 20 minutes, every 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes. You put it on 60 minutes. It'll stay open. All right, so now we got the control board up. Like I say, all I did was just unhook this last time. So take this boy here. I'll stick this in W. Take this blue, stick with all the blues. Blue in that common right there. got my red. You can see where this yellow was tied into this green right here. So, nut that together. Should be good to go. Okay, that's active right there. Okay, I just want to make sure that damper open and close. Just a test right there. You can see it opening up. All right. So that's the 8120A is operating properly. All right, so it's just test mode. So I'm just gonna put it where it open every 30 minutes.